Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And again I have started the series of free courses of Google. So I am also present in the dashboard of Google Cloud Skills Boards. So again I am starting my video, and before I am starting my video, if you can't subscribe my channel, please visit my channel and subscribe. And every video you like, please comment on my video. So let's start our video, and I am showing the next free course that Google is providing us. Again just type free and press enter. You can search here that just fr, just I type fr, and I can see all the advanced ML infrastructure, app sheet to Google, all these courses, these labs, the baseline infrastructure, build Google Cloud infrastructure for AWS professional, build Google Cloud infrastructure for Azure professionals, build a fraud detection model, much and more things that available on this platform. Dark function framework, data analysis with the fraud finder workshop, defending autopilot, development fronted, elastic Google Cloud infrastructure, extract, analyze and translate text from images with the cloud ML. All of things that you want, that you need, is present here. So I just type there is free and press enter. And I already make a video on Google free service, that is the Gmail. And now I am telling the next free service that is Google is providing us now is Google Sheets. In this course, we will introduce you to Google Sheets, Google cloud-based spreadsheet software, including with Google's workspace. With Google Sheets, you can create and edit spreadsheet like directly in your web browser. So special software is required. Multiple people can work simultaneously. You can see. So I am pressing this Google Sheet button, and it will lead me to that page in which I can access the free course. First of all, I am telling you the what is the objective of this course. You can see here describe how to open Google Sheet and all of these prerequisites, no prerequisites, and audience, new Google Worksheet users, available language is English, and what do I when I finish this course. After finish this course, you can explore additional content and what pages I can earn. Upon finishing the required item in a course, you will earn a badge completion. Badge can be viewed on your profile and shared with your social network. And okay, and prefer learning with an instructor. Can I take this course for free? So here are your answer. So in this course, with Google Sheet, you can create and edit spreadsheet directly to the web browser. You will learn how to open Google Sheets, create a blank sheet spreadsheet, and create a spreadsheet from a template. You will add, import, sort, filter, and format your data using Google Sheets, and learn how to work, access different types. Okay, you can access this. One thing I am telling you, that Google Cloud Google Spreadsheet Complete badge. This badge will show on your profile, Gmail profile. You can join this course to enroll this course. And in this course introduction, including two videos. These two videos module cover the agenda. It also introduce students to the rise and the course business challenges. Introduction to Google Sheets. In this module, we will introduce Google Sheet and discuss how to open and create a new spreadsheet. It includes two videos, one document, and one quiz, and you should pass through it. Okay, and manage data using Google Sheet. In this module, we will talk about adding and organizing data with Google Sheet. You will learn how to add, paste, and import data. You will also learn how to sort and filter data in your spreadsheet, which is especially useful when working with large database. Okay, it also include two videos, one documents, and one quiz. And the next, format a Google Sheet spreadsheet. In this module, we will we will explore some of the ways you can format your spreadsheet. This includes some of the basic format options such as cell colors, text wrapping, and option to freeze cells and protect data in your Google Sheet. You also need to protect your data on everywhere, on your mobile devices, on your personal life, and as well as Google Sheet. So it includes 5 videos and 1 document and 1 quiz, and you should pass through it, okay? And basic formulas, function, and charts. Google Sheets also include a variety of program and variety of formulas, basics, function, charts, etc. In this module, they will look at creating a basic formula using function name, ranges, and referencing data. You will also learn how to create a chart and be introduced to Google Explore, a powerful tool that can be used to answer questions and make suggestions based on insights gained from your data. It also basic formula, function, and charts also include 7 videos, 3 documents, and 1 quiz. Okay, and share your Google Sheets spread. You can also share your Google Sheets to another person, so it can easily access to all of the person you want to share. And it also include 2 videos, 1 document, and 1 quiz. And second last option is the collaborate with Google Sheets. In this module, they will also learn to some of the collaboration option available to you with the Google Sheets. Example include commenting, action items, and notification. It also include 3 videos, 1 document, and 1 quiz. Basic challenge in this module, you will put everything you have learned into practice by helping our fictional Google Workspace customers solve this business challenge. So here are the tips and tricks that you should come here and see. I hope you like my video and all the information that I provided to you. So please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and comment about my video. Bundle of thanks.